Is an air fryer just a convection oven? Yes and no. They both use fans, but they cook differently. Say you are grilling chicken breasts or oven roasting chicken breasts. You get similar end results, but the methods, textures, and even taste can be noticeably different. Convection ovens and air fryers use fans differently. In a traditional convection oven, the fan circulates the heat in the oven cavity to surround the food you're cooking on all sides. Air fryers use the fan to pull the air from the top and recirculate it, pushing it up from the bottom. So how are the LG air fry mode and convection modes different? When using convection modes, you enter the temperature and the oven automatically converts it to 25 degrees lower by design. The cook time is the same, but the auto temperature conversion does the work for you to achieve the same result. When using convection, the fan may cycle on or off after the oven has come up to temperature. Now let's look at air fry. To start, you want to use an air fry tray to cook your items for best performance. The LG air fry tray has a mesh surface on all sides, just like a countertop air fry basket. There is no need to preheat the oven when using air fry. The LG air fry mode uses higher temperatures and constant heat blowing from the fan, giving you an air fry texture and taste. The fan runs continuously throughout the cooking process. The air fry tray, higher temperature, and consistent blowing of the fan combine to mimic a traditional air fryer and give you similar results. But you get the increased convenience of the larger size air fry tray and easier cleanup.